Welcome back to Just Code It. Today we're going to start a new series on FastAPI. I'm not going to dive into why use FastAPI or how to install it. I'm assuming if you're here, you know why you want to use it and pip install it. What we're going to take a look at today is do a quick hello world and run it in two different ways, and then look at how FastAPI app is structured. So to start, we define the app using FastAPI, and then you just give it a title, hello world. We defined API router. And then to run the app, we can come down here and do if name equals main, which basically is just saying only run this code if I run this file. If you import this file as a module, this will not run. This is good for debugging purposes. And then you do Uvicorn run main, the file name, app, the app that we defined, and then the host, the port, log level, which is just debug, and then reload allows it to hot reload. This method of running a FastAPI app is not recommended in production, but you can also run it from the terminal using Uvicorn main.app, which is the variable we defined here, and then reload, which is the same thing as that hot reload. But I like using my IDE tools sometimes, so I do it this way. From here, we can just rerun this real quick and then get rid of that. So the first way we're going to look at is pretty simple. So we define this app router. We use declarators to define paths, and we're just going to do a quick get. So we're going to receive something, and we're going to return a JSON. So what we're going to do is define that app router, get the path, so the root path, and the status code. And then we're just going to return a JSON saying hello world. And if I reload this page, you'll see hello world right there. After that, we're going to load in an HTML file, which is this one right here. It's just HTML with one H1 tag saying welcome to FastAPI crash course, and some styling so I don't blind you all with the white background. We're going to create that app router. We should probably comment this stuff out. We create another get path using that app router response class. So this is the data type that it's going to respond with, and it's going to respond with the HTML data type. And then the contents is from the file, that index.html file. And we're just reading it straight into the HTML response object. Now, if I reload the page, as you can see, it's a nice HTML now. We'll expand on this and write directions in it as we go on. And then just to bring everything together, we basically just use the app include the routes. Another nice thing that FastAPI has is docs. So these are self-generating docs, which is pretty convenient. As you can see, it's the data type is text HTML because it's just a string response. We can try it, execute. You can run these commands in your terminal, and it will return, if you're on the same network or on the same computer, it will return that HTML that we're seeing in this file. That is it for today. I will see you next time, where we're going to look at path parameters and a dynamic path. Let me know if you have any ideas for other series that you would like to see. I'm pretty open to suggestions, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.